Congratulations to the USTs. Golden Spikers for beating the UE Red Warriors in straight sets. We have Coach Ojima Montrevor and the Coach, congratulations for this victory. So ano man sabi mo na yung nga, playing in front of your home fans is such a great experience, what can you say?
I wish we have more playing days here sa UST, but one game lang kami this round. It's always nice to play in your home court. Maganda yung reception ng crowd na predominantly mga taga-UST. And na-inspire naman siguro sila, yung mga players ko.
Thank you to that. 17 excellent sets, 5 digs, and 2 attacks, 1 block, 1 service. So yung nga, sabi ni Coach, kung na-inspire kayo dahil syempre, home court ito. So, ano yung prior this game? Ano yung mindset nyo para syempre, to put up a show?
Siguro tumatak sa isip ko yung parang sinabi sa amin na pupunta kami sa winning column. Kasi maganda yung maganda talaga yung feeling pag nasa panalo kayo palagi kasi yung ensayo nyo maganda, yung mood nyo palagi maganda. So yun yung parang inspiration namin na gusto namin manalo lagi para maganda lagi yung ensayo namin.
Thank you. Lastly to turn for 8 of 12 attacks, 2 blocks, and 2 digs. So syempre, syempre excited ka maglaro sa home court. Pero syempre, nandun yung gigil nyo na baka magkamali kayo or something. Ano yung mindset nyo para ma-overcome nyo yung fears na gano'n para manalo kayo sa home court?
We had a meeting yesterday where we talked about there shouldn't be any reason why we should lose. We have all the advantages we have right now. So just give our best and trust in each other. That's it.
Thank you, Trevor. Okay, the floor is open for a question.
Wala.
Coach, how was the mindset siguro going up against a UE team na pagkataas ng moral nila galing sila sa first win nila, and obviously naman po na dumidikit sila sa inyo, so paano nyo na lang hinandle yung ganong mindset ng kalaban?
Coming to this game, like in previous matches namin, we prepared adequately. We have our scouting team na report, so the players viewed the UE's attack and defense. Tapos, yung stats, malaking tulong yon lalo na dun sa mga middle namin. They know how to read. Lahat ng kalaban namin, pinaghandaan naman namin. So, kung galing din sila sa first win nila, galing din kami sa panalo. So, I think the morale is high, and especially dito kami sa home court namin.
So, gano'n lang siguro ka-importante sa UST ngayon na ngayon, balance yung offense nyo, hindi lang kayo nagre-rely sa isang player.
Ayun nga, sa meeting din namin, sabi ko din kahapon na mas maganda talaga na lahat kami mag-contribute. Pero alam naman namin na pag wala talaga kaming option talaga, si Josh talaga pupunta namin . So ayun, at least na nagawa namin yung nasabi namin kahapon na lahat kami magko-contribute. So ayun po.
Trevor, can you talk about helping Josh lang on offense?
Actually, Josh helps me a lot in offense with his passing, and so I think that's a big factor. And if I'm able to be effective while he gives me pass, then I'm able to make him effective also. So it's all a full circle thing.
Coach, 3 straight wins. Ano na yung nakikita mo ngayon sa team mo?
I thought we had a great match the previous one. 30 errors in 5 sets. Ngayon, bumalik na naman sa sa error mastery. So, 30 errors in 3 sets. So, I think yung ibang players nag-showboating today kasi they're playing here. I'll give them a talking to tomorrow, pero hindi naman kami doon mag-duel. We'll also highlight yung positive, like yung defense namin, yung serving namin, yung contribution ng middles. Yun lang, yun yung highlight ko today.
Congratulations, Coach Oji, Trevor, and Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.